Hi everyone, I'm Hania and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draft a one-piece sleeve block step by step using the metric pattern cutting method. You can actually use this sleeve block with any standard bodice block. That's because the most important measurement we need is the arm size measurement, and for this sleeve design I used the same basic sleeve block. I lowered the arm size by 2 centimeters at the underarm here, and then I measured the new arm size length and drafted the sleeve based on that measurement. So let's get started. Now we are going to trace the shape of the armhole from the basic bodice block onto a new sheet of paper. There are a few key points that we need to transfer from the bodice block. I'll be using the bodice block that I drafted in a previous tutorial. If you haven't seen it yet, you can find the link in the description below. We'll transfer points 30, 11, 31 and 32. As you can see, I've highlighted those key points. These reference lines and points help us draft the pattern more accurately. From point 1, measure 1/3 of the arm size measurement to point 2. For size 8 to 14, subtract 0.5 centimeter. For size 16 to 22, subtract 0.3 centimeter. To calculate 1/3 of the arm size, first measure the entire arm size length using a flexible ruler or a tape measure held on its edge, like I'm doing here. Seven divided 3, 15.66 minus 0.5. Here, point 1. Okay. 1.2. From point 1 to point 2 is 50.20. 3.2. Square across from point 2. Mark point 3 halfway between point 1 and 2. Divide 2. 7.6. 6. Here point 3. Draw a horizontal line to point 4 on the back arm side line. Mark the balance point, then continue the line. A balance point, also called a matching notch, is a small mark that helps us match the sleeve correctly to the bodice during sewing. Mark point 5 halfway between points 1 and 3. This is the front balance point. Also mark the matching balance point on the front arm side as 5A. Point 5. Here 5A. As a reference, point 5A is located on the arm side curve, directly opposite point 5. It isn't a measured point, it is simply the point on the curve that aligns horizontally with point 5. Point 6 is the front shoulder point. Measure the curve from 5A to 6. Add 1 centimeter for sizes up to 14 and 1.25 centimeter for sizes 16 to 20 and 1.5 centimeter for sizes 22 to 26. Here. Mark point 7, then draw a straight line. This is the top sleeve balance point. 7. Then draw a straight line from top to bottom. Point 8 is the back shoulder point. Measure the curve from 4 to 8 at the same amount as before. For example, for me is 1 centimeter.
12 plus 1, 13.
Then mark point 9 and connect it with a straight line. This is the back sleeve balance point.
Here, point 9.
I hadn't marked the underarm point on the side seam, so I used my bodice block as a reference. I measured the distance from point 22 to point 32, then transferred that same measurement to the sleeve block, marking it from point 1 to point 10. So, point 10 is the underarm point on the side seam. Mark it with a balance point. Measure the curve from 5A to 10. Subtract 0.3 centimeter. Then use that measurement to locate point 11. Then connect the points with a straight line.
Here, point 11.
Measure the curve from point 4 to point 10. Subtract 0.3 centimeter.
Minus 10.7.
And use this measurement from point 9 to locate point 12. Then connect points 9 and 12 with a straight line.
Here, point 12.
Draw a vertical line down from point 7. From point 7, measure the sleeve length down to the wrist and mark point 13. Then draw the wrist line horizontally in both directions. Draw vertical lines down from points 11 and 12 until they meet the wrist line. Mark these intersections as points 14 and 15.
Here, point 13, 14, 15.
Now draw the outline of the sleeve head. Between points 12 and 9, hollow the curve by 0.75 centimeter. Between points 9 and 7, raise the curve by 1 centimeter.
That's right. Something like that.
Between points 7 and 5, mark point X at 1/3 of the distance from 7 to 5. At point X, raise the curve by 2 centimeters.
2 centimeters.
Between points 5 and 11, hollow the curve by 1 centimeter. Now shape the wrist line. Between points 14 and 13, lower the curve by 1 centimeter. Between points 13 and 15, hollow the curve by 1 centimeter. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this basic sleeve block will make your future sleeve design much easier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.